An electric bill, I go up Con Edison, they come and shut the electric right off. I'll have electric downstairs, I know that. That's what I'm gonna do with the other.
How can you honestly sit there and say that when I was never late one time with you, never late with the rent or anything, and you're gonna sit there and fucking say that with a straight face?
Yep.
This guy is sick, Robin. So when are you going to get the money from Dewey?
I got a call.
I should call him now. What would you do if we tell you to get the fuck out of here?
When I see him, I crack him right in the fucking mouth.
That would be right.
Fucking favor.
That would be right. He owes it to him.
He's going to give it to him.
He owes it to him.
He's not, I know he's not.
Well, you know he owes it to him.
I know, but he's going to tell him to fuck out of here.
And now,
Yeah.
I'm going to get involved.